Last night was one of those nights where you have to decide what to cover and what to leave alone. Forecast said 29. It dropped to 26. Hi, this is Jeff for Garden State Veg, located here in central New Jersey, Zone 7A. So this is my first look at how everything handled it. I figured I'd start with what I didn't protect. I started with the peas. They're not exactly standing tall, definitely feeling that cold, but they'll be fine. Carrots and garlic didn't get any protection at all, and they handled it just fine. The lettuce was even more surprising. Even the plants I left uncovered look pretty good so far. At this point, I was feeling pretty good about everything. But the potatoes were the ones I wasn't so sure about. They don't handle cold quite as well as some of the others. I did not get a thick layer on these. They were just mostly covered. And at 26 degrees, the frost found every spot I missed. Oh, these leaves aren't coming back. But if you look at the center, where the straw stayed thick, the stems are still green. And that's what really matters, because potatoes grow from the tuber underground. So as long as that center stays protected, they'll push new growth. And this one over here, I didn't cover at all. It's just a volunteer left over from last year. And as you can see, it got hit quite a bit harder. So even though my coverage wasn't perfect, it was enough to protect the heart of the plants. So looking at all of this, most of what I left alone handled it just fine. But where it mattered, that extra protection made a big difference. I wasn't trying to test anything here. I was just trying to make the best call I could with the forecast I had. What this tells me is I probably don't need the rush to cover everything. But for potatoes, mostly covered can be a gamble when it comes into the mid-20s. If you've ever had a forecast miss like this, I'd be curious how things turned out in your garden. And if you found this helpful, I'd appreciate a quick like. And please consider subscribing so you can follow along all season. And so until next week, enjoy the garden. And just as a quick update, the tomatoes are still inside under lights. They've got a little while before they have to deal with any of this.